ABCD of algebra. What is a polynomial? How to add the polynomials and how to subtract the polynomials. My teacher used to say, algebra is not a cobra, but it is a zebra. Let us see. Let us consider any number 5, 0, minus 4, 1000, 3 by 4, etc. You go anywhere to Moon or Mars, the value of will not change. 5 is always 5 only. So these are all called as constant. Value will not change. And consider the two signs plus and minus. You know, they are also important in algebra. Consider the English small alphabets A, B, C, D up to Z. These letters can have any value. In one place, in one sum, value of x will be 2, and in another sum, value of x will be 9. The value will be going on changing, varying. So these letters, alphabets are called variables. Algebra is an interesting branch of maths. It deals with numbers and letters. That is why it is interesting. Now see, minus 7x is a term. All the three things are multiplied together. This term has three parts. One sign minus, one numerical part 7, or you can say constant 7, one variable part x. See the next term, y is a term. Where are the other two? Sign and constant. See, y means plus 1y. Now clearly you can see three parts. The sign is plus, numerical part is 1, the variable part is y. One or more terms combined together make an algebraic expression. See here example 8y plus 5x minus 3a, 4x plus 3y, 5x square minus 5y plus x plus y plus z. All these are algebraic expressions. See here 6z, 5a, 34x are called as monomials. Why monomials? Because they have got only one term. If they are having two terms, see here 2x minus 5, 4y minus 5, these are all called as binomials. Two terms binomial, one term monomial. Three terms means trinomial. General name is polynomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, all are polynomials. Polynomial can have one term or more than one. It can have up to 100 terms or 1000 terms, any number of terms. General name is polynomial. And 4x plus 5 is a polynomial with only one variable. You can see only one x there. 3xy plus 3 is a polynomial with two variables. Here x and y, two variables are there. Here another one, third one, 7x y z plus 2 is a polynomial with three variables. Next one is coefficient. coefficient is the numerical part of a term. You have to consider the sign also. So coefficient is the numerical part with sign. In 8y plus 8 is the coefficient. In minus 5a, minus 5 is the coefficient. Okay, now like terms, unlike terms. See the first example, 3xy and minus 7xy are like terms. Y. See the variables xy, here also xy. Don't worry about the signs and the constant numerical part. Only you have to see the variables, 1 or 2 or 3. Same variable should be there. You have to see the power also. Okay. Now we will see some examples. Like terms, first one, 7x, 5x square. Are they like terms? No. They are unlike terms. Why? First term x is there, in second term x square is there. 4xy is at 3xy. Are they like terms? No. 2ab minus 5ba. Are they like terms? Yes, they are like terms because AB and BA are the same. Here also AB, there is also AB. Don't see the signs or numerical part. One more. 4x cube, 45x to the power 5. Here the power is different, so unlike terms. One more. 2mn, 7mn square. See, in the case of n, first term is having n, second term is having n square. So unlike terms. 23x square, 13x. Unlike terms. Clearly you can see in one x square is there. Now we are going to add the algebraic expressions or polynomial. Only like terms can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms cannot be added. Add the following polynomials by column method. See, two polynomials are given, we have to add them both by column method. Column method means first we will write one polynomial, we will write then the second polynomial under that polynomial. First we are writing one polynomial. Okay, before writing the second polynomial we should be a little bit careful. The 7x square should come under 7x square. 7 cannot come under minus 5x. 7 should come under 3. So nothing there under minus 5x, 7 is coming. Here we are adding. Now we can add 7x square plus 3x square, 10x square. Minus 5x as it is. 7 plus 3, 10. If you are writing correctly, your answer will be correct. One more. This is also by column method because one more method is there. So today we are learning only column method. First write the first polynomial. Written. Now write the second polynomial under this carefully. A square b will come under a square b, ab will come under 5ab. Okay. Now third polynomial 4ab will come under ab, minus 6 will come under plus 32. Okay. What we are going to do? Add. Before adding, a square b means 1 a square b because there is no numerical part, so we are putting 1. ab means 1 ab. Now we will add 3 a square b plus 1 a square b, 4 a square b. In the case of AB, 5 plus 4 plus 1, 10 AB. 7A as it is, it comes 32 minus 6, 26. When you are writing the terms, write the like terms. Now one subtraction. Subtract 4A plus 7B minus 5C from 12A minus 5B plus C. See the second polynomial, it is written in red. Why? First it is going to come. The first polynomial is 12A minus 5B plus C. Okay. This will 4A plus 7B minus 5C will come under this polynomial. Clearly, from which we have to subtract which polynomial. From 12A minus 5B plus C, we have to subtract this. So, we are writing 4A plus 7B minus C according to the order. A under A, B under B, C under C. Now, we are going to subtract. What is subtraction? Subtraction means change the sign and add. That is the definition of subtraction. Subtraction means change the sign and add. Here, see, plus 4A has become minus 4A, plus 7B has become minus 7B, plus 5C, minus 5C has become plus 5C. Now we have to add 12A minus 4A, 8A, minus 5B minus 7B is minus 12B. Both are having the same sign, we have to add. C means 1C, plus 1C plus C, 5C plus 6C. 8A minus 12B plus 6C. That is the answer.